Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for joining the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Today, I am using the laptop. I'm traveling, so I'm using the microphone on the laptop. I hope it's going to be good. And we're gonna do our review of the trade. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And let's learn how to trade together and then profit from it. It takes a while to learn trading. We all know that. Well, for those who have been trading, but you can cut that time you spend learning how to trade and save tons of money. You don't have to go through what I go through or I went through or what most other traders went through. Again, I don't hide anything. I just saw exactly how my P&L is. And now, if you look at my P&L, I only buy one options. Now, if you have the capacity to buy 10 of that, imagine whatever you see as my P&L multiplied that by 10. That's how much you may be making. That's how it is. And then let's say you are able to do 20, multiplied my P&L by 20. That's how much you may be able to make from trading. All right, let's go. Let's look at the market as it is. We look at the SPY. Coming to look at the SPY yesterday was a doji topping top. And today, it's a significant candle. We see that it's a significant candle. And let's go and look at down to the daily level. Let's look at the daily level. Possibly, let me do 5 for 5 days. Here it is. If you look, today it went up, came down, pick up again, then went all the way up. It's a solid candle because it starts here and it went down, up, down, and high. So it became a solid candle. As a result, now you can see this is after hours, but you can see it is going up. So tomorrow is going to be a gap day. How that gap would end up, whether it's going to go up or down, depends. Nobody can tell you exactly what the market is going to do. You can only assume long-term movement of the market. For instance, we know that everybody who invests in stocks expect to make something there. So therefore, in the long run, the stocks would have to go up. And based on this concept, that's why I trade SPY or SPX or the indexes. They are built to go up. If the index are not doing any of the stocks in the index, if any in there that is not doing quite well, they usually pull those out. So therefore, those index has a potential to go up. And again, no one individual or institution can influence their movement. That's why you don't see that much volatility in there. And that's the reason I focus on trading of this SPY. So we see now, let's look at NDX, NASDAQ, NDX. Well, how did they do? So you can see the same movement, similar movement. We are seeing similar movement. Let's look at the sectors. Considering the sector here, we don't see much difference. There's not much difference in the energy sector. Material sectors running. Material sector is also not much of a difference. It's in heading towards the resistance down here and it's currently consolidating. We look at the industrials consolidating. Similarly, discretionary the discretionary, consumer discretionary consolidating. And we can see that staples have the same structure or very similar structure to the market itself. And here is the healthcare forming a handle where you have the cup here and then it's forming the handle. Financials similarly, not much of a difference with the market. Again, technology is looking the same. Communication, communication has been doing quite well. It has been going up throughout. All right. Now let's look at the utility doing well, real estate struggling at the consolidation level against the resistance. Now let's look at the trade. What happened to our trade today? Today we make about $88, and it went down a little bit because of the fact that I have to add more. So now I have 2 tranches of SPY. If we go in here, if we go to the trade section, I need to change that to SPY. I have 2 tranches of SPY now. Yesterday I did I rolled the position from 500 to reduce the risk, because when I saw that doji, what is it? They call it shooting star or topping tail. When I saw that, I said, okay, let me just reduce the risk. I went in, sold the 500 strike, and then buy the 520 strike. Going from there, today, in the afternoon, about 10 minutes before the market closed, I went in and buy the 515 strike for October 18. 150 days. I'll hold this until I get a signal that it's time to get out. So hopefully I'll stay in this for some time. But I got that today, and the P&L has increased by $88. All right. So I am not going to, I would keep this one short. I'll keep this audio short because I'm traveling today. I am traveling. So as a result, I would keep it short. Thank you very much. I'm still in the trade. I'll continue being in the trade. There's no reason to go out. There's just I just add more to it, and this will continue for time being. So I'll stop recording now. Thank you. Until tomorrow. I'll stop recording.